will tell you which screen recorder you should download. Actually, you have found a lot of screen recorders, but there are some problems with every screen recorder. So today I am going to show you the best screen recorder which will download your screen recording in the MP4. It don't have any watermark, it's good recording, the video quality is good, and this is also 100% free. So go in the Google and write screenrecord.com/download. You will write this and just click here for to download this. When you will click here, the downloading will be started. The name is Screen Record. I have already downloaded in my downloads, so it will come here. So how you will install this? You should just go there, right click and open this file. When you will open this file like this, you will click on next, then I agree, then next, then it will start downloading. Okay, from here you will install it again. After downloading, you will install like this. So I'm not going to install this now. Yes, I'm going to close this. After that, this icon will come on your screen record. This icon will come on your screen. Then you will go on the double click this. After double clicking this, you have to choose from here the microphone setting. So here the HD recording is just in the paid membership for the paid customers. So record system audio just from here and just close it. After you will click this, then there is one screenshot option also available. This icon will come on your screen, this right one, this on your screen. When you will come on the video, you have then start the sound video recording of your screen. So this one is very best. It will download the videos in the form of MP4. Otherwise, in other videos you should go and you have to change the recordings setting, the format you have to change, but in this you don't need to change any format. So thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel if you like this. For the more upcoming videos, please subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon, because more upcoming videos I will show you different softwares and different shortcuts for every software. Thank you very much.